welcome for a great celebration of video cartography. For this is the Sneezing Hands. Holy shit, man, I fucking got this 70px minus 10px the other fucking day. Have you heard about that?
Oh, of course I have, dude.
Dude, fucking mosh pit on that word, dog. And it was like, it was fucking half off. And I went up to the dude and I was like, listen, I've heard that shit, dog. And that shit doesn't sound like that shit sounds like and like he was like, this dude was like, alright, well, what do you fucking know? You gonna pay off? And I was like, you fucking right, doggy.
Yeah, for real, dude. Yeah, dude, I know, like, motorcycles, right? Dude, like, right, like, I have one. I've had this one for, like, 6 years now. And it's all like...
Oh, you're talking about that ZZ33, right?
Yeah, no, 4, dude, 4, yeah.
Oh, ZZ34, 5. Holy shit, you own that, dog?
No, dude, it's my baby, that's my baby.
Dude, did you check out that fucking metercycle that was on fucking page 30?
Yeah, metercycle.
The full spread, dude. I fucking had such a bone, dog.
Yeah, dude, I have like
that shit gave
on
me
my wall, like motorcycles upon motorcycles.
Dude, whenever my fucking dick's not working, I fucking stand in front of my fucking metercycle mural, dude, and fucking instantly, dude, like, it's fucking up for like a day, dude. Like, I have to seclude myself from that fucking part of my house if I have to go to work, dude, because I can't go to fucking Jiff Lube, dude, with a fucking straight waxed on fucking metercycle.
Yeah, dude, tell me about it. Like, metercycle stiffies are the hardest to get rid of. I swear to God, dude. Like
a metercycle.
Metercycle. Like fucking.
Dude,
like,
something in your brain just fucking makes the connection. It's like Viagra on wheels or something fucking crazy.
Natural Viagra, dude.
All natural. I prefer to get it that way, you know. But I fucking heard that you got that Suzuki.
Yeah, the Suzuki, dude. Yeah,
the Suzuki by Honda.
Yeah, Honda, dude. It's the Honda series.
Are you fucking serious, dude?
Mm-hmm.
Well, like, I heard that the fucking Honda was like all tariffed and shit, like so expensive, man. Like, I don't even know. Why would you fucking go for that approach?
Oh no, it's got like a uranium engine or something, like the rarest metal to be found on the earth. You know?
No, that's right, because that allows for like ultimate suspension, because it's a fucking durable metal.
Yeah, that's what makes that like noise, you know, that like.
Dude, let me hear it. Let me hear it. Come on.
Yeah, okay, here goes nothing. It's like a, you know? Motorcycles!
Motorcycle.
Motorcycles.
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
Honda. Fucking Honda, right?
Duh, dude, I can't even describe it, dude.
Duh. Fucking, I had this 70px minus 10px. Hey, Jill, what's up?
Oh, hey, Patty.
Suzuki! Dog, I didn't know you were a fan, man. I've got this tat on my ass, dude. Fucking
nice.
Dude, covers from the fucking tip of the iceberg to the fucking crow's feet, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, for sure.
Oh, dude, it's sick. I'd show you, but that's fucking weird.
Yeah,
but like,
dude.
I got this fucking Suzuki 70pi minus fucking 10pi, dude.
Good brand.
Dude, you heard that shit?
Model.
You
Yeah,
know that
dude.
shit? Oh my God.
I used to have one, dude. I have fucking radical scars, like fucking covered.
Yeah, that shit's
body,
dangerous.
Man. Fucking disgusting.
I don't know why the wheels are fucking shaped like triangles. That's
No,
fucking
either.
weird.
Nobody drives on triangle.
They're fucking
streets, you know?
That's what I'm saying. It's, the concept is fucking rusty.
Like this. Like, I know what to do.
Harley, you know what I'm saying, dog?